Most men wake up weak, scrolling, snoozing, and wondering why life feels out of control. Most men don't realize they're losing the battle before their feet even hit the floor. What if I told you the first 60 minutes of your day could shape the man you become? Because they do. Most men wake up soft, distracted, drifting. But the men who dominate life, they dominate their mornings. What you do after you wake up will be the most powerful results you get all day. This video is for the man who's tired of being passive, tired of feeling behind, and ready to build a masculine morning that forges discipline, direction, and power. A few years ago, I was waking up late, skipping workouts, scrolling my phone, eating trash, then wondering why my life felt like chaos. I had ambition, but no system. Then I built one. A masculine morning that pulled me from lazy to locked in. Today, I'm giving it to you. The reality is, many of us start our mornings in defeat. We hit the snooze button, dive into social media, and skip any form of movement. Without a plan, it's no wonder our days feel foggy. Here's the truth. If you don't lead your mornings, your life will be led by distraction. That softness bleeds into everything. Your body, your business, your relationships. But once you flip the script and take control of your first hour, you stop reacting and start rising. It's true that everyone is different. Not all people are optimized to wake up and immediately get to work with high intensity. But pay attention. Because this point needs to be made. The first part of your day is powerful and allows you to take control over your life, and that period of the day needs to be optimized. Every man out there doing great stuff has a period soon after they wake up where they conquer a huge portion of what needs to be done. Want to know how to get started right now? Step 1. Wake up with power. Your first battle is the alarm. It rings, you rise, instantly. No hesitation, no negotiation. Why? Because the man who wins the first 10 seconds of his day can win anything. This is your first act of defiance against comfort. You don't need to bump your head, just fight through the urge to stay in your warm bed. Comfort kills, it's not your friend. Be comfortable in the evening. You're building character here, not convenience. Now that you've won the first battle of the day, it's time for the cold challenge. Step 2, cold shower or cold plunge. Not warm, not lukewarm, cold. You step in, your brain screams, no, that's perfect. You're training your nervous system to handle pressure with poise. Most men avoid pain. You choose it. This is how grit is built, and grit means when the world throws something at you, you catch it, easy. This is how soft men become sovereign. Never mind the 180 different health benefits that cold water offers. People who don't do cold plunges are leaving all those benefits on the table, and personally, I think it's dumb. It's a comprehensive activity for your health and dominance factor. It kills many birds in life with one stone, and one characteristic of masculinity throughout the ages is efficiency. Men gather resources and manipulate them effectively. So when you do something in life that offers you so much for so little, you're doing something right. Alright, what's next? Step 3. Move your body. Push, pull, run, lift. Just move with intensity. You don't train for looks, you train for war. Every rep is a vote for your new identity. You're not the lazy version of yourself anymore. You're becoming the man who commands energy and lives with precision. Step 4. Stillness and strategy. 10 minutes. No phone, no music, no input. Just you, your breath. The noise fades. The fog lifts. You start to see. Stillness isn't weakness, it's control. Was Bruce Lee weak? His power was in stillness, in focused awareness. You want to be so focused that you can stare at a piece of paper and it catches fire. When you sit there for a while, your mind and body will revolt. That's okay, they shut up after a while. Once that happens, collect your thoughts. Do not let the world around you dictate how you think and feel. You make that decision on your own. Now journal. What is my mission today? What am I avoiding? What must get done no matter what? This turns chaos into clarity, you into a commander. Step 5. Warrior fuel. Your breakfast isn't comfort, it's fuel. Skip sugar, skip cereal. You need high protein, high fat, nutrient-dense food. Try eggs and avocado, steak and greens. Try a smoothie with whey, chia, berries, olive oil. Food isn't entertainment, it's ammunition for your mission. Okay, fine, it's entertainment sometimes, but right now we're trying to get a result, so focus. Some of you can handle more carbs than others. I like a minimal amount of carbs to start this type of transformation out. Carbs make me feel slow. If you do the saltine cracker test and figure you can handle more carbs than the average person, more power to you. Just make sure your diet makes you feel fast and powerful. If it makes you feel sluggish, an adjustment needs to be made. Now we're finally at the big shift. You do this routine for 7 days, your energy shifts. 30 days, You shift. You walk straighter, speak clearer. You stop tolerating half-effort in anything. You stop checking your phone for who to be. You wake up knowing who you are and what must be done. You transition from pain to power. The reason you've been drifting isn't because you're broken. It's because you lacked a system. But now you have one. And if you're serious, start tomorrow. Matter of fact, prepare right now to start tomorrow. Prepare the things that need to be prepared and put them where they need to be so you can just wake up and start. No matter how you feel, do it anyway, and you'll become the man you were always meant to be. Real men, real results. This works. You might have been waking up at noon, depressed, chasing dopamine. Now, you're up at the perfect hour, building a business and running miles. Maybe you hadn't trained in years. One cold shower later, you're journaling daily and down 20 pounds in 6 weeks. This isn't magic, it's momentum. It's torque. You want to be like the ocean. The most advanced ships we have get tossed around by it. Its power is undeniable. It's quiet, but its ferocity is unmatched. All you can do is pray. Be like that and life just moves out of your way. Start tomorrow morning. Cold shower, movement, stillness, journaling, fuel, then come back and comment, "Day 1 done, I'm building discipline." And if this video hit you in the chest, subscribe. Masculinity isn't something you're born with, it's something you build, with habits, with choices, with mornings. You don't need hype, you need honor, you don't need motivation, you need movement. Now you have the blueprint, get up tomorrow, and execute like a man on a mission. I doubt you'll need it, but good luck.